Welcome to Zebracat. We're here on the home screen, ready to create our very first video. First, click on the Create Video button in the top right corner. As you can see, there are 3 steps to follow. Step 1. Choose a visual type for your video. This decision is really important. You have 6 options. AI image, generate a picture with up to 78 AI visual styles, and you can even curate it if you have a specific style in mind. AI avatar with AI image. Combine a talking avatar with AI-generated images to illustrate your script. Infinite zoom, a special immersive effect worth trying out. Stock footage. AI avatar. Choose between a video avatar or an image avatar, or even create your own. AI and stock footage. Combine an AI avatar as the spokesperson with stock footage to make your video unique. For now, I'll go with stock footage. Once you've finished choosing, click Next Step. Step 2. Choose workflow. We have different starting points, and we're kicking off with the prompt to video path. Click here, and the first question is, what is your idea about? Tell us what you want to create. We have an example here. Create a video for my coaching online course. Adding context to your idea benefits the script, but for now, let's keep it simple and move on. You can toggle on the character consistency option, which ensures the character is visualized consistently over all scenes. Then, select the video ratio. For example, choose 9:16 for TikTok or 16:9 for YouTube. Set the video length by dragging the scale or clicking to define your desired duration, such as 60 seconds. Next, select the voice and language. We offer a variety of languages and accents. You can listen to different voice styles and choose one that fits your video best. Standard AI voices are included in Zebracat's free membership, while premium users also have access to ultra-realistic AI voices that sound fantastic. Try a few, pick your favorite, and move forward. You can toggle captions on or off. Many prefer to keep them on initially, but you can adjust or disable captions in the editor once the video is generated. Next, select a music mood to make your video more engaging, or leave it off if you're unsure. Like captions, background music can be added, changed, or turned off in the editor later. I don't need any brand assets here, so I'll just move on to generate the script. We give you 3 options here, and you can just click through and have a look at what resonates the most with you. You can also edit the script, for example, by changing the hook or adding the CTA that you like. Once you're done with that, you just move on and generate the video. This typically takes around 2 minutes. If you are a premium subscriber, you can jump the queue, and your video creation is usually a bit faster. Well, that's it. Your video is ready.